Hi, welcome to our new View tutorial video. Today we will go through how to add a video feed from a IP camera. So here I've started the VJU Studio launcher. I have pressed new project. We'll go in and edit that. Video project. I'll press apply and create and start a new project. So here we go. The view front end, the display part is presented here. And if we go to the view server, we get up our server device discovery just to check the device is connected. So I can see here the device connected. This is perfect. I also know that the IP camera here, which is connected, also has, this is the standard IP address of all cameras we deliver. But the camera I have set up in our test pool also receives a DHCP IP address. So I'll close this again and we'll go back to the display. I'll open up to be able to edit. I want to add a element, so I'm going to add two video instances. We here have two possibilities, one for efficiency and one for performance. So I'll add one of both, and we'll just for this project open this up, move it around a bit to the same. Yeah, something like this. And then we'll edit. So here we can choose the settings of this video input. So normally it just starts with the test pattern. But we'll put in the RTSP stream, which comes from the camera. So here it comes up with the standard setting, but since I'm on a different network, I'll use the correct IP address. So here we get up the camera feed from the pool. I'll do the same just to show that we can have several instances of this. And we'll get that there. So let's also add, just to show that we can do this as a feed and have a bit of a overlay. I'll import a resource. I've got the Ixus logo here ready so we can have the overlay. There we go. So, and there we have the Ixus logo. So I added two elements here, and just to be a bit quick, I'll delete that one, duplicate this, and then we can move that around. So that's a bit faster. And then also if we wanted some sort of text or string element in, we could choose add element and add a text block. And that text block could, for example, be from a variable. So here you could choose, I haven't added any variables to the backend, but that could come from a string or something like that, showing settings, or you could receive depth settings and so on and push that here and add that to the text. If we go to that, I could say, just to show, we should say depth 500 meters or something like that. And that could show there. And you're able to do every changes of text color, or let's say we want it to be black. All right. Thank you very much.